Welcome back to Online Tools Master. Today we're diving into a unique tool that transforms UTF-8 text into hexadecimal. Introducing the UTF-8 to Hexadecimal Converter, the world's simplest browser-based UTF-8 tool that converts any UTF-8 text to base 16 numbers in just one click. This tool is designed to quickly convert UTF-8 encoded text into hexadecimal numbers, or what's known as base 16. Just import your UTF-8 text into the editor, and right away, you'll see the hexadecimal result on the right. It's free, fast, and powerful. A great addition to your tool set. Let's walk through some examples to see this tool in action. First, we'll convert 3 UTF-8 encoded clock face emojis into hexadecimal numbers. We'll enable padding, add spacing, and include a hex radix prefix before each hex value. This option is perfect if you're working with symbols and need a clear format to understand the conversion. In this example, we're going to convert regular digits from 0 to 9. This tool also supports legacy encodings, which means you'll see consistent results with both modern and traditional character sets. For this example, we'll turn off the hex prefix for a cleaner look. Lastly, let's convert the euro symbol euro. Here we'll use the tool to encode it as a single hexadecimal number without any spacing. This is a quick way to get a precise hex value for specific characters. And that's it. You've just seen how powerful and versatile the UTF-8 to hexadecimal converter is, perfect for anyone who works with text encoding or wants quick hex conversions. If you enjoyed learning about this tool, don't forget to check out our last video on the Unicode Text Generator, where we show you how to rewrite text into creative Unicode fonts. And as always, remember to like, share, and subscribe to Online Tools Master for more tutorials on the best online tools around.